Welcome to the Voice of UK. This is Elizabeth, the UK's National Emergency Alert Exercise, a modern strategy for public safety day on 7 September 2025, reported by Waseem Parwana, United Kingdom. The Voice of UK millions of mobile phones across the United Kingdom vibrated, flashed, and rang with a loud siren-like sound. This was not an accident, nor a real emergency. It was the second national test of the UK's emergency alert system. Designed to act as a life-saving tool during times of crisis, the system is becoming an increasingly important part of the country's public safety strategy. Launched in 2023, the UK Emergency Alert System is a government initiative that sends urgent messages directly to mobile phones when lives are at risk. Using cell broadcasting technology, it works on all 4G and 5G connected devices, regardless of mobile network, and overrides silent or vibrate settings to ensure the alert is noticed. The system is intended for use in extreme circumstances such as severe weather, storms, floods, terrorist incidents, major accidents, or chemical hazards. Discovery of unexploded bombs. It has already been used in real emergencies, including storms Darog, 2024, and Eowyn, 2025, as well as during flooding incidents and the evacuation of thousands after the discovery of a World War II bomb in Plymouth. The most recent test was conducted nationwide at 3:00 p.m. BST on Sunday, 7 September 2025. A short message appeared on phone screens, clearly stating that this was only a test and no action was required. The alert briefly interrupted sporting events, including rugby and cricket matches, though spectators had been warned in advance. The government compared the test to a national fire alarm, ensuring that the system functions properly before it is needed in a real emergency. Frequent testing is crucial. In moments of crisis, seconds can save lives. By checking the system's reliability, the government aims to guarantee that the alerts reach as many people as possible, improve emergency coordination between authorities and communities. Despite its importance, the alert system has faced some criticism and technical challenges. 1. Incomplete coverage. People with older devices, phones without 4G, 5G, or those switched off did not receive the message. 2. Technical glitches. Some users reported delayed or scrambled messages, raising questions about efficiency given the system's multi-million-pound cost. 3. Safety concerns. Driving during an alert poses risks. Authorities warned motorists not to check their phones while driving, highlighting possible fines and penalties for vulnerable individuals. Domestic abuse charities raised concerns that the loud alerts could expose people secretly carrying a hidden phone for safety. The government advises such individuals to opt out of alerts if necessary. While the system enhances national security, it must also be managed carefully to avoid unintended harm. Public education campaigns, accessible information in different languages and formats, including British Sign Language, and clear opt-out options are essential to ensure inclusivity and safety for all. The UK's National Emergency Alert Exercise demonstrates a modern and proactive approach to protecting citizens. By using mobile technology to deliver urgent, life-saving information, the system strengthens national resilience against crises, although challenges remain, particularly around inclusivity and technical reliability. Regular testing ensures the system evolves and improves. In the face of natural disasters, terrorist threats, or other emergencies, the emergency alert system could make the difference between chaos and safety, and even between life and death.